Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download your Facebook data, especially your messages, including ones you might have deleted from the app. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then go into Settings. In the Settings screen, tap on the search bar at the top. Type download. From the search results, tap on download your information. Tap download or transfer information. Choose the profile if you manage multiple and tap next. Now tap on specific types of information since we only want messages. From the list, scroll and check messages only. Tap Next. Choose Download to Device to save it to your phone. Set your date range. File format, usually HTML, and media quality. I'll go with medium quality here. Then create files. You'll see a message saying, your information is being prepared for download. It can take anywhere from 15 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the size of your data. Once it's ready, you'll see a download button appear. Tap it, and Facebook will ask for your password to confirm it's really you. Enter your password, tap continue, and it will open your browser. Tap save. Make sure the Files app is selected. After the download finishes, tap on Open In, then tap on Open in Downloads. You'll see a zip file. Tap it to extract. Open the extracted folder, then go to your Facebook's activity, then Messages, then Inbox. Inside the inbox folder, you'll find all your past conversations. Tap any conversation folder. You'll see media files like photos and audio, and a file named Messages. Tap the Messages file to open and read the entire conversation, and even if it was deleted from the app. And that's it. You now have a copy of your Facebook messages safely downloaded to your phone. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.